Let's see how you can also use AI with Excel. For this, there is a new tool. It's called Excel AI Agent Mode. Available if you have a Copilot business license. I think Microsoft will start spread that everywhere, but for now, like you need to have a business license and make sure your admin allows you to use that. But let's see what Excel AI Agent Mode can do for us. I'm activating that agent mode and I'm asking Excel to help us prepare a three-statement model, but also to back this three-statement model to prepare the product revenue and also the cost product and the headcount. Imagine if somebody in finance, you will ask them to do that. How long do you think they will need to prepare this three-statement model plus all of these other register tabs that you need to make a planning or a model in Excel?
I'm thinking if they have a template they can build off of already, because I asked them last month, an hour, if not days. It's going to take a couple of days to turn this around.
This here, we can see starts to be populated. So I shortened it a bit, but it was after 2 minutes, first building the revenue products with the different tiers, the 25 to 29. Then the headcount plan. Then we got also the cost product tab that I ask. I also ask the income statement. So now I start to have my three statement models. But we can see that we have an error. The agent knows it and it's correcting the error live. We can see that when the agent is changing, also the graph changes with it. And at the end, you end up with the income statement, the cash flow, the balance sheet, which is built for you in 3 to 5 minutes. To answer people saying, yeah, but this is maybe a simplistic model. The thing is, people always take extreme cases to just fight AI. But I know, and you tell me in the chat, I know in finance, a lot of us have to do first simple model before going crazy about like M&A models with 30, 50 tabs. A lot of time you get marketing asking you a question about what if we increase spend here? What if we reallocate? What if we have a new hire? It's mini models that you have to build where you never have time because it's not in your normal tasks. And if you could do that in 5 minutes or 10 minutes instead of 1 hour, it will save us a lot of time.